everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Tamika. Hello gorgeous.
Hey.
Welcome back TT Gang Gang. Alright, so you already know what day it is. It is October and we are about to set it off on day 1 of my Vlogtober. So I am going to be vlogging every single day for 31 days. Okay? I'm going to be vlogging every single day. How you feel about that?
I feel great.
You feel great about me vlogging every single day?
Yup, how about you?
I feel good.
I feel good.
I hope they ready.
I hope they're ready for some bangers.
Bangers!
Bangers.
Okay, so in order for you to see every single day of me vlogging, you have to what?
Subscribe, like, and turn on your post notifications.
That's the only way you're going to be able to join.